Hey guys, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. So recently, Adobe introduced a number of really cool effects in the beta version of Photoshop. I did do some tutorials on a couple of the ones that I really liked. One was embroidery, unbelievably realistic embroidery from images. The link is in my video's description. And the other one is harmonize, which essentially blends two different images together from two different sources. The color, the brightness, the contrast, the shadows, the direction of light. It's really amazing. So if you want to check that out, the link is in the description as well. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the new Generative Upscale filter. I have mixed feelings about it, frankly. I want to compare this one with you and the super zoom in the neural filter section. So we're going to compare the results on both. But right now, we're going to do the Generative Upscale. Now, if you don't have beta or if you haven't downloaded it yet, just open the Creative Cloud app, go into Home, Apps, and Beta, and just download it from here. Okay, so we're going to use this image. We'll go to Image and Image Size, and you can see it's only 500 pixels by 281 pixels with a resolution of 72 pixels. Go to Image and Generative Upscale. We can scale it 2, 3, or 4 times its size. Let's scale it up to the max. Its dimensions will be 2000 by 1124 pixels. Click Upscale. It's using its AI technology in the cloud to upscale it, so we do need to be connected to the internet. To fit it on our canvas, press Ctrl or Command 0. Notice it placed the upscale image onto its own layer. To see the result before and after, just click the eyeball icon off and on to reveal the original under it. Now let's open back the original small-sized image so we can upscale it this time with the Super Zoom filter. Go to Filter and Neural Filters. If Super Zoom isn't on, just click the toggle switch. This allows us to zoom up 16 times by clicking the magnifying glass icon each time we want to increase it. I'll zoom in 4 times to equal the amount in Generative Upscale. For this example, I'll keep Enhance Image Details checked, and I'll slide Sharpen halfway. I encourage you to play with these settings to see what degree they affect your image. We'll output it to a new document. Then click OK. I'll fit it onto my canvas. To compare the original small-sized image to the upscaled versions, I'll place the super zoomed image on top of the Generative Upscale image and then zoom in. I'll press Ctrl or Command A to select the entire document and Ctrl or Command C to copy it. I'll open the Generative Upscale document and press Ctrl or Command V to paste in the super zoom image over it. I'll name the top layer Super Zoom. The middle layer is the Generative Upscale image, and the bottom layer is the original unfiltered photo in the upscaled size, but without any improvement to its quality. I'll press Z to open the Zoom tool and drag it over the image to zoom into that section. To reposition it on the screen, press and hold the space bar as you drag it. I'll hide both filtered layers to show the quality of the unfiltered, upscaled original. This is the Generative Upscaled image, and this is the Super Zoom image. I'll hide it again to reveal the Generative Upscale version. Let's compare another section of the photo. I'll hide the filtered layers to reveal the original unfiltered photo in the upscaled size. Here's the Generative Upscaled version, and finally the Super Zoom version. So the Super Zoom in the neural filters, to me, for right now as I'm recording this video, is a lot better. Anyway, I just wanted to impart that to you. You have a great day. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse, and see you next time.